Hi everyone, this is Sam Lee. Nice to meet you all, classmate here. I charged this week's rapid fire video. We just read the article last week about Six Sigma. I thought it is a good idea and a good item to discuss about Six Sigma and the differences of other methods such as Lean and Agile method at the end. The Six Sigma is the methodology for improving quality, creating the process system to reduce the defect, and the goal is to be free of defects. Let's see the term of Sigma before moving into Six Sigma method for better understanding. Term Sigma is used to designate the distribution or spread about the mean average of any process or procedure. The sigma value is a metric measurement and it indicates how well the process or procedure is performing. The higher the sigma capability is better for less defects. This defects means it comes with any result from customers' dissatisfaction. This is the key. The Six Sigma term came from Bill Smith. He invented this method and he was engineer at Motorola at that time in late 1970s. It was starting to experiment for solving problem through statistical analysis. And in 1987, Motorola officially launched the Six Sigma program. Followed that, the GE Jack Welch launched the Six Sigma in 1996. There are three main methodologies on Six Sigma: BPMs, DMAIC, and DMAIC. DPMs is a business process management system. This BPMs focus the customer's needs and expectation. The method identifies, monitor, and improve performance as using the Six Sigma metric measurement. DMAIC is a Six Sigma improvement methodology, a logical way to solving the problem with improving process or procedure, representing equation of this DMAIC, E equal Q times A. Effectiveness equal quality improvement times acceptance. DMAIC project process has a 5 phase. These define the problem, the voice of the customers, list what they saying, and the project goals. M is a measure key aspects of the current process and collect relevant data. A is analyze the data to investigate and verify cause and effect relationship. It also determines what the relationships are and attempt to ensure that all factors have been considered. Seek out root cause of the defect under investigation. You gotta find out what's really root cause, what's really problem it is. You will figure it out to improve. So next phase is I is improve. Improve or optimize the current process based upon data analysis using techniques such as design of experiment, mistake proving, and standard work to create a new future state process. Setup pilot runs to establish a process capability. C is control the future state process to ensure that any deviation from target are corrected before they result in defects. Implement control systems such as statistical process control, production, and visual workplaces, and continuously monitor the process. DMAV is creating new process for performing a Six Sigma. Break down each phase. These define design goals that are consistent with customer demands and the enterprise strategy. M is measure and identify CTQs, the characteristics that are critical to quality, product capabilities, production process capability, and risk. A is analyze, analyze to develop and design alternatives, create a high-level design, and evaluate design capability to select the best design. These design details, optimize the design, and plan for design verification. This phase may require simulations. A V is a verify the design, set up pilot run, implement the production process, and hand it over to the process owner. This method can be done when there's no other way to develop or improve the process or procedure, and it has to change the entire process or procedure. Just make this something new. So it's good for. Motorola had great success when they started to proceed to Six Sigma in 1987. Over the 8 years, Motorola reduced the defects in processor levels by a factor of 200. It reduced the manufacturing costs by $1.4 billion at the time. The employee production is increased on a dollar basis by 126%, and the stockholders' share increased by 4 times. In summarizing of Six Sigma, it eliminate process or procedure defects using by mainly the value analysis and root cause analysis. Just find out what's really wrong with you, gotta fix that. It comes to say Six Sigma, which means 3.4 defects in 1 million opportunities. The Six Sigma philosophy has been changed. The mentally, the environmentally, the economically, it changed. The market has changed. We used to believe that the high quality will come with a high cost, but today we believe that the high quality can be coming with low cost because of improved or better processes and procedures will cut down the cost. Six Sigma focus on the customer satisfaction. That's the key. Not only Motorola, also GE, I was mentioned earlier, DuPont, Intel, Texas Instruments, Honeywell, NASA, HP, and many other organizations adopted and implemented the Six Sigma method, and it has been successful on their business. And another methodology is a lean methodology. It's just to simplify it, summarize it, as time's running out, is eliminating waste and production time, mainly using Kaizen and a just-in-time method. And another popular methodology, which Agile methodology. A couple weeks ago, Dave was on this subject to talk about. This method is a software development process, and it is aiming to bring incremental development by increasing rapid and flexible responses to change. It targets to end user interacted to communicate, makes looking for continuous improvement. So these 3 methodology what we look at have an intersection for planning, control, and improvement of the project, which is the total quality management TQM. In my current work in the company, we adapted both Agile and Six Sigma methods to implement on our safety and quality management system. A lot more to Agile like a method than Six Sigma, but compatible to use it. A lot of cases we do interact with our customer frequently to verify our problem or defects in order to improve or develop the current system. It clearly targets our customers' satisfaction, cover all aspects of operational concern. It includes SMS compliance procedure, emergency evacuation procedure, emergency response, fatigue risk management system, flight data management procedure, HSE, health, safety, and the environment, QA, quality assurance, and the safety officer procedures, and so on. The best TQM, the total quality management tool, is it depends on the application, what you need to apply on new business model, so that the right method, like either Six Sigma, like other more diverse combinations such, the right method can be developed and improve the quality management for making your successful your business. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any concern or question, please reply on our discussion folder. Thanks again. Thanks.